how I went from being almost homeless in Japan to staying in a very beautiful hotel like this still amazes me. So I kept my luggage right here at the entrance. This is the exit door to go out, and I kept my shoes here. And yeah, so the hotel comes to seal bus like this, and you get into the room from here. Shut the door. Yeah, that's really nice. So nice. So there's no wardrobe, so what we have are hangers. I put my belts up there, then my box is here and my handbag. There's a refrigerator here. I put my fruits and my sanitary pad, then my carry-on bag for going shopping. Then this one right here is like a vending machine for drinks, but I'm not touching it, so I didn't even bother. In here I kept my random things, and over here we have a microwave and I think another vending machine. I don't know how to use it, so I'm not going there. Yeah, so really nice setup over here. Yeah, then here we have like the air conditioner, the heater, the hotel has like a central cooling system. And then over here it seems like another gaming machine, or I don't know, a vending machine. Don't know how to use it, so I didn't touch it. So there's a seat here, and then there's this one here that's like a beauty chair that you can just roll on, and there's a mirror in front of it. And they always replace this every day, but it's not every day I have them clean my room, so it's mainly the green tea that I drink. The other ones I already touch them, but I mainly do the green tea, which I like. And it's different from like the regular green teas that we tend to drink in Nigeria. Yeah, then there's a flat screen TV here, a DVD sound system. I don't know how to operate it, so I'm not touching it. But my friend in this room, like my favorite guy in this room, is actually this massage chair. So I would sit down here and have like massages for about 30 minutes every day, morning and evening, depending on whenever I want it. And then there's a water dispenser here with a cooling part and a hot part. And there's another standing leg massage thing. I haven't used this, it's just this one I've been using. Then of course, this window here, it's literally closed to like match the whole vibe of the other room, like the rest of the room rather. But if I was to open it, you get to see like what outside looks like. So when I open from here, you get to see what outside looks like. Sky is blue, everywhere looks nice outside. Yeah, looks really nice outside. So next, the bed is here. It's like a queen size or king size. It's a queen size bed. Then there's this light thing here that controls the whole light in this room. If I was to press this now, all the lights are gonna come on. So you see now the lights is brighter. But then if I press it again, it's gonna turn off that light. If I press this one, see, I turn off everything. I think I've turned off the cooling system. So when I press this now, all the lights now have gone off, so everywhere is just dark. But when I put this back on, it comes on, so all the lights are back on right now. So this is really, really dope. I've never seen a hotel that has something like this, that you can be on your bed and just turn off all your lights. These are just random things I kept here. Then of course my travel charger, my bin for putting my trash. Oh, all the lights are not back on, but let me just make do with it as it is. Maybe moving not okay. So for over here, there's a corridor here, so I have to climb up here, and then there are like things for men to use for taking care of their beds, and then hand wash here, really nice. And then skincare products for myself, my toothbrush. I like strong toothbrush, so I typically travel with this. I took like a whole pack of 12 of this toothbrush, and then I sometimes use these soft ones that come here that comes with the hotel. And then they also put some other accessories which I really like shaving stick, hair clips, cotton, hair ribbon, and then contact lens solution thing. But whenever I'm finally checking out, I'm going to literally take everything here because they are complimentary. They're not like things I should leave behind. The only things I shouldn't be taking are like the towels and the rope. So, and then of course there's a hand dryer, coil-in-one hair straightener that comes with this, and then a bathtub. So one thing about this place is that the bathroom, they always put like your body soap, your hair shampoo and treatments. And then for when I want to like soak myself in a bathtub, I use this bubble bath thing. I fill this up with like warm water and put this bubble bath thing. And it also comes with sponge. The moment you open this sponge, it literally just swells up. So yeah, if I don't want to use my African sponge as it's in here, I use this one, which gives like a softer scrub and all. So the window out there is open to just air the place. So there's a shower here, and I could also use the bathtub, which is really, really cool. So let me show you my toilet. So in the toilet, it's, you don't have to put on any lights, it just comes on its own. There's a toilet seal past there, and you can see this Japanese kind of like toilet thing that you can rinse your butt area, you can rinse your intimate area, and you can set these things to be hot or warm or like room temperature water. And then there's a air freshener here and extra tissue. There's also tissue here and a bin over there. It's really, really nice here. I love it. Like, this is literally like the best hotel I've stayed in all my life. Yeah, and I can't wait to experience better than this. Can't wait. But for now, I love it here. So this is a tour of my hotel room in Japan. After I was almost stranded in Osaka, I had to move to Nagoya to get this hotel, which was like the most affordable one I could get. So I'll be here until I then move to like my next destination. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me along my journey of touring Japan. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, love.